Yo, what is good, YouTube? It's your boy Nick. Welcome back to Buku XYZ Performance. Um, Today I wanted to let you guys know about the transmission that I use in my 240. Um, it's a automatic transmission. It's a 300ZX twin turbo automatic transmission. Oh, we got these bugs out here, boy. Country. And it's the summer too, or spring. About to be the summer. So, you know, yeah. If I haven't already, I think I showed you guys, I'm gonna show you a clip of the transmission, me talking about the transmission. This is the same transmission I have in the car. I actually had the transmission already. This one is, I think it's still stock or it might be built. Either way, this is the 300ZX twin turbo automatic transmissions. These transmissions are huge. They're the heavy duty Nissan transmissions. They can hold 600 to 700 horsepower and 800 foot-pounds of torque. Now, let me tell you something about this, right? The thing that kills transmissions is not really horsepower, it's torque and heat. Those are the two things that kill transmissions. So my transmission is rated for 800 foot-pounds of torque, and my engine doesn't make 800 foot-pounds of torque. It makes pretty good horsepower, but it don't make that much torque. It's only a four-banger, so it's not making that much torque. And plus, you know, sometimes even weight. You know, if it weighs too much, then it could be an issue too. But most times, hey, they go Hanan. Anyway, that's my little sister's car. I'll put her channel down in the description if you guys want to see about that. She gonna be tough too. I ain't gonna cry. She gonna be tough. But yeah, man. I just want to let you guys know that it's a stock transmission and it can hold basically 1,000 horsepower. Most people don't like these transmissions because it's automatic, you know, and I have no issues with people who do stick, people who do automatic. It don't matter to me as long as you run it. You know, stick shifts, I ain't gonna front. Boy, you gotta be a dog. You gotta be a dog. You got to be a dog to shift, dog. Especially when you're racing. You know what I'm saying? So, me, I'm not a dog with shifting. I want my car to be as consistent as possible. You know what I'm saying? Maybe if I get a Honda, then I can get some boost or whatever. Then I could probably do something like that. But right now, nah, bro. And yeah, bro. That's what the car is right now. I might get a cold start for y'all, bro. I'll get a cold start for y'all real quick. Yeah, let's do that. That's not even full throttle. I'm just getting him a little bit of boost. You know what I'm saying? That's just me getting into a little bit of boost. Not too crazy. Park her up. I should be getting a draggy here soon, so I can do some pulls and some 0 to 60s. But the thing is, I gotta find better fuel. I only take E85, and bad E85 is not okay, bro. It's not okay. Now, it can't be like E50. It's gotta be like E70 or something like that, bro. It's gotta be something crazy. It's gotta be good. E50, this thing runs like it's bad, bro. So let's see if I can get some better fuel so I can run it. Better. I'll go through the gears again. You know what I'm saying? I'll go through the gears a little quicker so y'all can hear it. Now this is a stock transmission, stock auto. You know what I'm saying? If I had like a Transgo shift kit and it had the shifts firmer, it'd be game over, dog. This car would be crazy. I might do that because I have another transmission like this, the one that I showed you guys earlier in the car on the ground. But I think it has something done to it, but I know it doesn't have a Transgo shift kit. So I might try to put a shift kit in it and see if that can, you know, make the shifts pow, pow, pow. Because this shifts good. Hey, yo. I gotta manual like slap stick it, like manually shift it for 1, 2, and 3. Sorry, I just saw a Challenger. I think I just saw a Hellcat, or it might have been a Scat Pack. I want to thank you guys coming by, chilling with your boy. You know what I'm saying? Stay blessed, stay safe. Seek the kingdom, Matthew 6:33. You know, they say the kingdom's over here. It's over there. Nah, it's right here. It's inside of you. But yeah. Once I get her legally ready for the road, it's gonna be game over, bruh, because I think that the first thing I'm gonna do is try to get some tires. Get some rims. I got rims for them. I got the rims for them. I just need the tires. And then, you know what? I'll probably do that. I'll probably do that before I even get it on the road. So, but maybe we'll see. But thank you guys coming by, chilling with your boy. Stay blessed, stay safe. I'm out. Peace.